Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to do an oil change on any Alfa Romeo twin spark engine, which can be found in 147, 156 GT and GTV models. The car in question today is an Alfa Romeo 147 with 1.6 twin spark engine. The same procedure can be used to do an oil change on all of the mentioned models with twin spark engines regardless of the size. Before we go into it, I got few things I have to mention. First off, we are working on a car lift, but if you are using a car jack or ramps, make sure you secure the car well before you start doing anything. Also, make sure you dispose of the oil properly. First thing you have to do is unscrew the oil cap, check it underneath to see if there's white milky residue, which would indicate poor oil evaporation or coolant mixing with oil. Loosen the oil plug and make sure you push the bit all the way in to avoid any damage. Position the catching pan underneath the oil sump and unscrew the oil plug all the way. Also check for the oil condition, see if there are any metal shavings which would indicate some kind of engine damage. Now we're gonna move to the front of the car and we're gonna use these oil filter pliers to loosen our filter. We're gonna position our catching pan under the filter and we're gonna unscrew the filter by hand. While the oil drains from the oil filter housing, we're gonna use this time to put back in our oil plug. This is the part where you have to be careful. You wanna tighten it well, but you don't wanna overdo it to avoid any damage to the threads. Take a new filter and use some of the old or new oil to lubricate the seal, just to make sure that it goes back on smoothly. When it comes to tightening, you don't want to use any pliers, you just need to tighten it by hand as much as you can. Okay, now it's time for new oil. This particular engine right here takes 4.4 liters of oil, but we have to take into consideration the fact that we're never going to be able to drain 100% of the oil out. There's always going to be some residual oil left in the engine, so for starters we're going to put in 4 liters of oil. When it comes to viscosity, we're going to use 10W40. If you are wondering what kind of oil does your Alfa take, you can check out some of my other videos where we discuss oil types for each particular Alfa Romeo model. Now that we got 4 liters of oil in the engine, we're gonna check the level. I don't know how well can you see it right here, but the oil level is right at the max. We still have to take into consideration the oil filter, which is currently dry right now, so we're gonna put back in the oil cap and we're gonna start the car. Right now we are gonna recheck the oil level. Since oil filter sucked in some oil, we're probably gonna be a little below max. We're gonna check to see what's going on. I don't know how well can you see it right here. We are several millimeters below the max point. We're gonna add maybe like 0.2 of a liter and we are done. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.